wasn't.
What's happening, guys? Pokemon Naruto DBZ1 here, and today I'm going to be showing you my top Cydia tweaks for the iPhone 5 or below, the iPod Touch 5th generation or below, or some models of the iPad, although some of the tweaks may or may not work. Running on iOS 6, of course. Now, this is my first video of this sort, so please don't hate. I'll try to perfect them in the videos that I will do in the near future. Please help me improve my videos in the comment section below, and last but not least, you may or may not know some of the tweaks, so let's just get started. Alright, so for the first app we have Quantum, an app which can be configured in the settings application of your iPhone or iPod Touch. Basically, all you have to do is enable Quantum and choose through a bunch of fonts which already come with the app. For the purpose of this video, I am going to select some random fonts, whichever I see. Now basically what Quantum allows you to do is it can change the font of the notification banners that you get in iOS. Now the stock font is, normal, regular. But if you want something different, you can use Quantum. Let me just show you what I mean. As you can see, the font is a little bit different than what you normally experience in iOS. Let's move on to the next tweak. Alright guys, this tweak right here is called Display Candy, another tweak which you can configure via the settings application. Now you can select through a list of animations, which I'm showing you right here, to animate the launching, closing, and switching of applications in iOS. The developer has even provided us a slider to specify the speed of the animation. There's also an option to specify the direction of the animation as well. Let me just show you what this tweak does. Since I've selected Ripple, when I open the settings application, it ripples and opens it up. And when I close an application, it sucks in towards the center, because that's what I chose. Pretty cool tweak, huh? Alright, the next tweak is a really popular tweak in Cydia called Auxo. Now, Auxo comes with a user guide, but it's fairly simple, so I'll be showing you how it works myself. Now, when you open the multitasking tray, you get a small image of the app showing what you did last inside the app along with the icon of the app. You can swipe down to close an app, or you can press and hold an app to remove all of the apps from the multitasking tray. This feature is really useful and can save us a lot of time. Now, if you swipe to the extreme left, you get a bunch of settings toggles along with the brightness meter, or whatever you call it, and then a music toggle / widget. Now, you can swipe up to get more toggles in the extreme left. And it's really incredible and has a bunch of themes you can get on Cydia. Alright guys, the tweak that I'm going to be showing you right now is going to be called Doodle Message. Doodle Message is a way of livening things up between the chats of you and your friends. It supports the default messaging app, WhatsApp, and another app which I can't remember. So you just press the doodle button that I just showed you in the video, and you can doodle or / draw whatever you want and send it to your friend. Now it doesn't actually send just the doodle, it converts the doodle into an image file and sends it to your friend, which is still pretty cool. I like it a lot. So once you're done doodling, you just press the done button on the top right side and press send. So once you press send, there should be a loading bar on the top of the screen if you're using the default messages app, and it should go to your friend once that's done. So that's Doodle Message. Alright guys, this is another tweak which I think was inspired by Android. So basically what it does is when you pull down your notification center and you have a bunch of notifications, instead of pressing the X and clearing all the notifications, you can just slide to delete the notification. It's pretty cool and it saves a lot of time. For this one, I'm not going to be showing you any tweak. This is an app. I'm showing you this app because it's one of my personal favorites. It's called iTransmission, and it allows you to download torrents on your iDevice. So to download a torrent, you need to open Safari, and you have to go to your favorite torrent website, mine, the Pirate Bay. So just go ahead, and on the Pirate Bay, you have to copy the magnet link. To copy the magnet link, all you have to do is press and hold what I'm holding on the screen right now, and copy it. I'm not going to do that because I already have it on my clipboard right now. So then go ahead and open up iTransmission, and click on the little plus thingy on the bottom of the page, and then click on magnet, and paste the link that you just copied. Oops, wait, yeah. Alright, click OK, and then you just have to give it a couple of minutes and it will download. Really useful, really handy, really fun. This is called iTransmission. Alright guys, this is another small tweak like Lorem called Appcent. There's not much to configure, you just have to enable it. Now, this is what it basically does. It shows you the percentage of the app which is already downloaded. Now, it's a really simple tweak, but it can be handy in a lot of situations. This tweak right here is called Overboard, another one of my personal favorites that I use a lot. It comes bundled with Activator, hence all these activation gestures. I am selecting Pinch to Zoom because it's my favorite. Not Pinch to Zoom, Pinch to Activate, sorry. So there's a bunch of other settings, as I'm showing you in the video right now, which I'm going to let you guys figure out on your own. So let's just say I want to get from the first home screen to the last without going through all the ones in the middle. I can just pinch the screen and go to the last one. Again, I can just pinch the screen and go to the first one. So that's Overboard, a really helpful and useful tweak. Alright guys, this tweak right here is called NC settings, another insanely popular tweak on Cydia. It's kind of like SB settings, another really popular tweak. The reason I prefer NC settings is because it's more sleek and well designed. There's not much to do in the settings of NC settings, but you can rearrange the toggle, the position of the toggles by holding the right side and dragging them along, as I am doing in the video right now. There's also another set of settings like the number of icons you can see, the theme, etc. Now let me just show you it in action. That's it. You just get a row of settings like SB settings. That's pretty much it. Did you ever get jealous of your friends with Android phones who have a cool way to unlock their phones? Well, fear no more. Now we have Android Lock XT to help us unlock our iPhones and iPod Touches in a way similar to the Android phones. It has the same, gesture unlock system, or whatever you call it, with a bunch of themes and a bunch of other settings which you can configure via the settings app. Now let me just show you how it looks like on an iPhone / iPod Touch. And that's pretty much it. Pretty cool, huh? Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. This is just part 1, part 2, part 3, and many more parts will come out in the near future. Please rate this video up, as it does help me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe on this big button that's on my screen and is also on your screen.